doesn't know what's happened to the OGs in the neighborhood because they've all been looking for jobs lately. Even though Asbeck Horis. He had 2 jobs this week, 2 jobs. The first job only lasts 1 day. Yeah. The second day his boss come up to him and say, when I take you on yesterday, you told me you had 5 years experience in this kind of work, and now I find out you never had a job like this before. Oh, I was telling, well, when you advertise for a job, you advertise for an over imagination. But the Asbeck, he got a lekker job now. Lekker, he works in a pet shop. Yeah. You see, all you got to do is clean out a couple of parrot cages and a couple of canary and budgie cages. And then you got to feed them. And then you got to feed the goldfish. You see, then take him up to lunchtime. Then after lunch, all you got to do is take the skilpot for a walk. Lekker job, lekker job. But you don't talk about walk. I see old Pickaway Adams yesterday. And he was walking. He was taking long steps, big long steps. I said, well, what gaat nou aan? He told me, nee, I just bought a new pair of shoes and I was making sure they don't wear out fast. I was with him and Binzi down by the docks. Binzi, he pointed to a boat standing high out the water. He said, you know why that boat is standing so high out the water? But I went tell him, Sikajad, was as low tide. Time for me to be on my way again, so I'll be back to see you next week. In the meantime, let I ask you, if crocodile skins make good shoes, what does banana skins make? You don't know? They make good slippers. Goodbye, Mr.